Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to science session. How are you all? All are fine and staying at home only now? Yes? Yes, don't go outside. Okay? Stay at home, listen to these online classes, practice handwriting, study at least for 1 hour every day. Okay? Okay, shall we start our today's session? Our lesson name is States of Matter, right? So last week we are discussing about change in states of matter. So change in states of matter changes the states as the temperature changes. So solids will become liquids, liquids changes into gas on heating, and gas becomes liquid and liquid becomes solid on cooling. So we have seen four change of states, right? What are those four? First one is melting. So here we saw the change of solid into liquid on heating, right? Solid into liquid on heating, right? Yes. The next one what we saw? Freezing. So what we saw here in freezing? In freezing we saw change of liquid into solid on cooling, right? Change of liquid into solid on cooling, right? So examples for these both are ice cubes. The first one, if we take the ice cube outside, it will start melting. If we keep water and keep inside the freezer, it will start freezing and become ice cubes into solid, right? Okay. What is the next process? It is evaporation. Evaporation, right? So here we'll see change of liquid into vapor on heating, right? So if water from the water, because of the sun heat, the vapor rises up. That is called evaporation. Or else another example is when water is heated, it will change into vapor, right? Okay. The next process, condensation. What is the term? Condensation. Yes. Changes of gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. Change of gas into liquid on cooling is called condensation. What is the example for that? Clouds, right? So what will happen? Clouds, when gets cooled, what will happen? Rain will come, right? So when clouds on cooling, what will form? Condensation forms and the rain occurs, right? And clouds are gas and rain is liquid, right? Yes, very good. And what is the next one we saw? Next topic is about fuels, right? Fuels are the substances that gives out more heat while burning. Okay, they are used for heating purposes, right? So here in fuels we saw three types again: solid fuels, liquid fuels, and gaseous fuels. Solid, liquid, and gaseous. So the examples will be coal, charcoal, wood, cow dung for solid fuels. Okay. So for gaseous fuels, goba gas, LPG gas. Okay. And for liquid fuels, kerosene, vegetable oil, petrol. Right. I hope you all understood this. So today we'll go into the book exercise. Okay. I hope many of you have purchased the books, right? Those who have the books, just take your textbooks, page number 112, and start writing in your textbooks. Okay. Those who don't have the books, just start in your rough notes. No problem. I hope you'll get your textbooks very soon. Okay. So those who have the textbooks, immediately take the textbooks, page number 112, and start writing the book exercise. Okay. See, the first Roman letter is true or false. Okay. We have here 7 questions and we have to mention that whether the statements are true or false. Okay. I will read one after one. You just check it down. The first one is solids have a definite volume. True or false? It is true because solids have a definite shape and definite volume. Okay, so it is true. The second one, liquids cannot flow. Is it true? No, false. Liquids, they can flow actually. Right? If we pour water on the ground, it will flow or not? Yes, it will flow. So, it is false here. The answer is false. Okay? The third one. We can melt any substance by cooling it. So, any substance by cooling it is false. Okay? Next, fourth one. Liquids can take the shape of the container. True or false? Yes, liquids only take the shape of the container. If we pour oil in a container, it takes the shape of that container. If we take water in a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. So, answer is true. Next, fifth one. Gases have a definite shape or volume. True or false? False. Only solids will have a definite shape and volume, right? So, answer is false. Sixth one. Matter changes its state when heat is added or removed. So, we have seen the change of states, right? So, when heat is added or removed, matter changes its state, right? So, answer is true. Okay, seventh one. A fuel is a substance which gives heat energy on burning. A fuel is a substance which gives heat energy on burning. Did you remember that? Yes, true. Okay? Okay. Now, shall we go into the next exercise? Okay. The next one is fill in the blanks. See here, they have given the options there and we have to choose that options and write in the blanks. Okay? See the options first. The first option is evaporation, second one mass, third one water, fourth one solid, fifth stone, sixth is freezing. Okay? Okay. Now shall we do that? Yes, come. Okay. The measure of matter in an object is called. What is the measure of for matter in an object? The starting we have learned this. In the starting of the lesson we have learned. What is that? Mass. Okay? Measuring weight. Okay? So it is mass. Okay, the second one. Change of liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. Okay? What is the process called? Evaporation. Okay. Third one. An example for liquid is water. Okay. Then fourth. The change of liquid into solid on cooling is called freezing. So solid, that is ice cubes, right? So liquid water is getting changed into solid on cooling. That is called freezing. Okay, then fifth one, an example for solid is stone. Okay, okay, everyone, write these answers with pencil, not with a pen. Okay, okay, shall we go into the third exercise? Yes. See here, we have to match these objects and tell the states of matter. Okay, see there, the first one is clouds. Clouds are gas, right? Clouds are gas. The second one is charcoal. Charcoal is solid, right? Solid fuel, right? So charcoal, solid. The third one is oil. Oil is solid, liquid or gas? It is liquid, right? Okay. And this side, see here, the first one is glass of water. So water is liquid, right? Yes. The second one, that is smoke. Smoke is gas, right? Yes. And third one, it is apple. An apple is solid, right? Yes. Good. Okay. Shall we move on to the fourth exercise? Yes. Okay. See here, this is like a choose. We have to write only one answer there. See, I'll read the question here. Which of these is a solid? Which of these is a solid? Wood or juice? Juice is liquid. So, wood is solid. Right? Yes, wood. Okay. Next, second one. Which of these is hard? Which of these is hard? A sponge or a glass or a cloth? Sponge is hard or soft? Sponge is soft, right? Okay. Now cloth, what about a cloth? Cloth is also soft. So the glass is hard, right? The answer is glass. Okay? Yes. Now third one. What are three states of matter? Three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Right? In the beginning of the lesson we have learned this, right? So three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. Now the fourth one, name three substances which can change to liquid when they are heated. So this one we have to write in a classwork. I will tell you in the WhatsApp how to start your classworks. Okay, you all have the classworks, right? Already you have purchased, some of you have purchased the books. So the classworks, how to start everything, I'll tell you in the WhatsApp. You just check it down in the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes. Next, the fifth one. In which state of matter the particles are very close to each other? So only in solid the particles will be very close to each other. Okay. Right. So answer is solid. Next, sixth one. What state of matter is rain? Rain is water. So, what is the state of matter? Liquid. Okay. Next, seventh one. Which among the state of matter has definite size but no definite shape? So, it has a definite size but no definite shape. What is that? Liquid. Okay. So it occupies the size of the containers, right? But it doesn't have any definite shape, right? So liquid. Next, here in the eighth question, four options will be given. So we have to tick the correct one. Okay. So what would cause a liquid to turn into a solid? So liquid is water, for example. So water should turn into a solid. What it is? Water is turning into solid means it will become ice cube. What that is called? Freezing, right? So answer is cooling it until it freezes, right? See the first option, pouring it into a container. Will it turn into a solid? No. Heating it until it boils, that will become a vapor again. No. Right? Cooling it until it freezes, that is correct, right? Keeping its temperature the same? No. If we keep it the same, it will not change anything, right? So answer is cooling it until it freezes. Okay, take that one. Next, see the ninth one. What are some properties of pencil we have to write in our classwork? I'll tell you that one. Okay. So what all are there I have written here, you just copy down in your textbooks. Okay. The next one, see properly along with the questions, you just copy down very carefully. Okay. See the questions carefully. Question numbers. Okay. Okay. Shall we go into the fifth exercise? Okay. See here, you have to find me liquid, water, wood. What are the three? They have given three options and ask three questions there. You have to find out which one comes. Okay, which one is the correct one, right? Okay. See the first one. I am a 5-letter word. I am an essential need for your life. Okay, I remain in all the three states of matter. In the videos I have already mentioned, only one thing will remain in all the three states of matter. Who am I? It is water, right? See, WATER, 5-letter word, and it is very essential need for our life, right? Very important for us, right? And it will remain in all the three states. Only one thing which will remain in all the three states of matter is water. Okay. The second one, I am a solid. I am obtained from the trees. I am useful for heating. Who am I? See, what is that? Liquid, water, wood. Three options are there. What is that? Liquid is useful for heating, and obtained from trees, nothing. No. Water? No. So it is wood. Okay. It is solid. Wood is solid, obtained from trees and useful for heating, right? Yes. Next, third one. I am one among the three states. I have loosely arranged particles. I become vapor on heating. Who am I? Who am I? So, among three states, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, among three states in solid, liquid, gas. Among these three states, it is loosely arranged particles, it seems. So, it is not a solid. So, among liquid and gas, I become vapor on heating. So, what is that? Vapor on heating means water becomes vapor on heating. So, what is the state of water? Liquid, right? So, the answer is liquid. Okay, then the next exercise, see here, the sixth exercise is assignment for you. So the seventh exercise, see here carefully, I have written seventh exercise only, not the sixth one. Okay, this is seventh exercise. Which change of state is taking place in each description below? Use these words. Okay, so they have given the answers and we have two options and we have to use the options as answers. Okay, the first one, an ice cube turning into water. An ice cube turning into water. What is that? Ice cube coming outside, and if we melt it, it will become water, right? So the answer is melting. Okay, Next, water turning to ice in a freezer. Already freezer is there, so it is called freezing. Right? Water turning to ice. Okay, change of liquid into vapor on heating. Into vapor. Immediately liquid into vapor, evaporation. Right? Then the next, a bathroom mirror misting up. Misting up means the mirror will become unclear, right? When the hot water comes out, when we take a bath with the hot water, the mirror in the bathroom, it will not be clear. So that is because of condensation. The heat goes there and it becomes cool. Because of the cool over there, the vapor gets settled there, and then because of the coolness it will be misting up, like unclear. Okay, that is called condensation. Okay. Okay, see, today's assignment is about these 5 words. You have to write one sentence about these 5 words. Okay, so solid, first one. Second one is liquid. About liquid, one sentence you have to write, not one word, one sentence. Okay, melting, evaporation, freezing. Okay. Okay, write in your textbooks alone and send me. Those who have the textbooks, write in your textbooks alone and send me. Those who don't have the textbook, you send me in your rough notes. Okay. Okay, children, all of you understood this one, right? Okay, thank you.